Alright, this is my Ruger Mark 1. It's actually not called a Mark 1 according to the box, it's just a Ruger standard target pistol. I believe it was manufactured in 1964. I'm going to take this apart and put it back together. I'm doing this looking through the camera instead of looking directly at the gun because I see too many videos that look through the view from the camera is blocked. So I'm pushing this back with my thumb here and removing the magazine. Now the next step is to remove the lever from the back. It's right here. I'm removing it with a little screwdriver. And it's not in very good focus, so it's kind of hard to see. Oh, that's tough. Alright, so I cheated. I look next to the camera. Pull this down, pull this out. If you see this button on the top here, that's actually the top of the pin here from this piece here. At this point, barrel should come out. Of course, it never does when I want it to. Alright, well, the other thing you can do is I'm just going to try and remove the entire barrel from it. Taking the barrel and pushing it that way, which I just did, and now the whole thing removes. Sometimes it needs a lot more persuading than that. This one goes together pretty nicely. Comes apart pretty nicely. Now, in order to reassemble it, big trick here is this little piece right here. Right, this you can see is in there somewhere. And that piece there winds up pushing down right here when you reassemble the gun. There's a spring in here that goes in there, and that is what every single time causes me problems reassembling the gun. So what I'm going to do is put the barrel back on. This one just pushes nicely. It's pushed into position there where it belongs. I take the barrel, I take this, put that in. Okay, inside here is the hammer. I have to make sure that's pushed down. So I'm just pushing that down with my finger, and then this slides right in. Now in the back is that stupid little doohickey, and what I need to do is point the gun up and pull the trigger. Now at this point, this comes in here, pushes up through the top, and of course it's not working. So I gotta figure out what I did wrong. I can see right through there. You can see daylight through there. So this should be able to go in. If it doesn't, I've clearly done something wrong. And it doesn't. Oh, okay. You know why? Because this little doohickey here is in the way. That has to be down and out of the way. What was happening is this piece here was hitting on that. that. Now I need to tilt the gun this way and pull the trigger. Now this slides in, that latches, and the gun fires. And that's probably the world's worst video.